Chocolates as far as the eyes can see. That too Lindt's chocolates. Chocolates all around you. That too Lindt's chocolates. Today, I'm going to take you back to one of my memories of when I had the opportunity to visit the Lindt's chocolate factory in Switzerland along with my parents.
Today I will explain to you how the Lindt chocolate is made. First, the cocoa is collected from Africa. The cocoa is collected from Africa. You can see that there is cocoa over there. Over here. It comes from the Madagascar, Africa, that area. Okay. Now this is Lindt chocolate farming program. They farm this in a big scale. Now from here it is shipped to Switzerland. Because Switzerland is the center of Lindt chocolate making. Now it's gonna travel a long way to Switzerland, and here are a few inside scoops that I can show you. Okay, now it's traveling on the water. Yeah, it's taking a long time, but yeah, it is very fun. Now, okay, now the lever will come down, and then the chocolate is made into bar shapes or lumps, and is loaded onto this lever, as you can see here. Voila! Now they come to this roasting area. Okay, and they're gonna roast this chocolate bits because they're still raw. They're still very raw. So roasting them makes them more sweeter and more tastier to eat. That's why we call it chocolate. Okay, now they begin to roast it. Now we know that this milk is also coming from dairy farms in Switzerland. And then they and we also have sugar on that side to make that. It depends upon what I'm filling comes from there, and then it is stirred. Now I will show you in the factory what happens. Now in the factory, it takes all the chocolate. Now this is the person who founded the chocolate factory. He is Attribution Lindt. That is why this factory is named after him. He's the founder of the factory. Now, okay, now these people melt the chocolate and keep it warm and very long, soothing. And here is the chocolate fountain, which keeps the chocolate soft and yummy. And then they package the chocolate. Then after that they may put a ribbon around the rabbits and stuff. And from there it is sent by truck and by aeroplane to all the parts of the world. I hope you enjoyed this tour. Thank you.